Aloha from Singapore and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share about this Chinese New Year song. It's called Gong Xi Fa Cai. Yeah, we only have 3 plus 1 chord. 3 basic chords and 1 is the additional. The first one is A minor. This is A minor. You just need to press with your middle finger here. Yeah, my ukulele is actually low G. Nevertheless, it works well for the standard tuning or low G tuning. It's all the same, yeah. So you just press this and strum this way. Yeah, this is A minor. And then the second chord is going to be D minor, in which you stay here and then add on these two. Yeah, this is D minor. Okay, so A minor and then D minor, you just add on these two. Yeah, and then the third one is E7. It's going to be like this. So from here, this is your A minor. You go down here and then you press this one here, add on this one. Yeah, this is E7. So these are the 3 basic chords. And another one additional is called A7. Yeah, you can skip the A7 if you think it's too difficult. So we are playing in 4/4. It means there are 4 beats in a bar. So for example, I can just play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, even if you don't play ukulele, it's gonna be very, very simple for you to follow. Okay, let's start. You can start with A minor. Now A7. Yeah, and then D minor. A minor, E7, yeah, so that's the verse. Pretty easy, isn't it? Remember, A minor is your home chord. It means you start from A minor and then later on you end in A minor. Yeah, it means you start from here. Then this one, you want to move to D minor and then you play A7. Yeah, that's when you landed to D minor. Then stay here for a while. A minor, E7. Come back to home. Yeah, that's the whole verse. Now let's talk about the chorus. It starts from D minor. You can just tilt a bit your wrist here. A minor, you can make it straight again. Yeah, and all the knuckles here parallel towards the string. So yeah, for D minor you can tilt a bit. E7. Yeah, you can just strum 2 beats one time. So yeah. Now let's combine together from the top. A7, D minor, A minor, very easy, isn't it? So remember 3 basic chords, which is A minor, D minor, and then E7. And then 1 additional chord, which is from A minor. Later on you can go to A7 before going to D minor. Yeah. So with these 4 simple chords, you can play Gong Xi Gong Xi. You can greet people with this song. Okay, Gong Xi Gong Xi.